Included with your order will be 1 back support, 1 seat, 2 seat back bars, 1 A leg section, 1 B leg section, 2 armrests, 4 feet, 5 H shorthand screws, 4 I longhand screws, 9 washers. There are no tools required for your shower chair assembly. Step 1. Place the seat upside down on a flat surface so the screw holes are showing. Step 2. Fit leg section A into the A channel on the underside of the seat. Step 3. Fit leg section B into the B channel crossing over leg section A. Step 4. Insert 1 H shorthand screw through a washer and into the center screw hole where leg sections A and B cross. Screw and tighten. Step 5. Use 2 I longhand screws and washers to fasten 1 seat back bar to leg sections A and B. Step 6. Repeat step 5 with the other seat back bar. Step 7. Use 4 H shorthand screws and washers to attach the back support to both seat back bars. Step 8. Fit each armrest into the sockets on either side of the seat, making sure the brass locking pins are facing out. Press the brass locking pins down while inserting so they snap into the holes in the sockets. Step 9. Press down the brass locking pin on one leg. Fit a foot over the leg with the adjustment holes in line with the brass locking pin. Adjust to your desired height and repeat for each leg. Congratulations on assembling your shower chair. For more information and other great products, visit us at vivehealth.com.